Nyalam Tawachikdan Chekazamki Kondu, Jino Hons Kyamgunchim Chola, Yagarki Tongi Hariyana Dens Chebe, M3M Tepze Chida Subutabashin, Tikjin Chulin Zula Kantu, Gumbuchoki, Sobotiki, Giletan, Lutu Namla, Galop Nawe, Lirim To. Yagarki Chibishiki, Gundunla, Tam Chobashi, Shube, Nyandongshi, Chidub Chedi, Gijidan, Yagarki, Sagan Chegakachi, Tishin Jizo Talam Kagana, Yudaki, Hons Kyamgunchim Chola, Shime, Tsenshi Suyuba, Pumi Dikzuki, Sijong Bimserin Choki. Dizi Choksumni Yagaki Yasadil Dinshi Chebe Chiki Sarkyo Tunzoki Kuti Nawe Lirim To Nyalam Konsu Choki Yagarki Chibishila Chamgyong Nawe Nyambar Tetan Chebe Tokri Shube Galentu.
I had liked to ask this question as to who is the real victim in this story. Some say the boy, the family, but I find that the boy is fine. He had spoken well after the event. The mother was fine. The mother had spoken well after the event. All the 120 students who were there in that event had no complaints whatsoever. I looked through all the interviews by the Tibetan media after the event was over. So at that time, there was nothing there. And it was already in the public media, in the public domain.
Zago Dito Chibate Konsukyamgunchim Chola Tamchobe Gongur Shube Nezu Tedan Jene, Chizona Konsuchola Shime Tenshe Sobate, Manzu Simla Poktu Chimpucho. Nye Kenzula Tiak Nedunti, Nezu Tedan Jebe, Nezu Poyu de Suchaki Dogam. Zago Ditobe Che Pebe Sargan Kaki, Mobunila Chendishubena. Chibate, Tare Konsucho Jever, Pekop Chungla, Simguyan Chimbuteva Soki, Nyamyon Yakuchunga, Tishona Mase, Chibate Ameya. Nganzu Yunjungune, Consatale Lame Jagatan, Chinlabla, Regu Chene Depi. Tiring Anzunami Chamar Kogap de Nusu Topchung, Tiring Consuchoki, Galoptan, Chinlap Toba, Nganzu Tsunami, Sabu Je, Sunyubata. Tishin Tsokjaba Shin Tsuyan, Tizung Juyotap. Amata, Chiba, Tsokjaba Tame, Redu Yonskin Yube, Yangi Nedun Didan Jeve, Shime Tsenshiki. Nuzupo Yung Mumade, Consukyamgunchum Chayubse, Chetan.
Two members of the M3M delegation spoke at that event. Then His Holiness spoke at length about the topic. And the seriousness of that topic, nobody talks. Because that doesn't benefit anybody. That does not increase the TRP.
Terdi Zagoti Yurim Kyoyong Yu Nezula, Yulun Tan Dakje Che Yute, Gungzhan Geju Gyabdun La Pebe Yupshi, Gusho, Yeyone Guyur Shugube, Gundun Kongla, DW Shime Tsenxie Suna Zhuang. Akbar to Konsukyamgunchim Choni, Duwatsim Bishita, Tishin Gundu Gonge Wangshila Tempe, Dewani, Bangja Yimbar Sunange Shiki, Tinde Tugre Zimshiki, Tsorshila Chasitam, Konsukyamgunchim Cho Kuketi, Tsurimla, Tobonamdo Kaya Migupshikje, TW Yubshila, Nezu Chatsangwar Shedo Mijibar, Tsenxie Suna, Tigitam, Je Suna Sola, Tishin Sikyon Choki Mutude, Suna Dun.
Through our investigation and as per prima facie evidence, we found that the initial instigators are pro-Chinese sources. Now, you are all journalists. Please find out how this resurfaced again and who is trying to use that. Chinese sources that itself explains the motivation behind making this video clip viral. It needs no explanation as to who would gain from maligning the image, reputation, and legacy of His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Nganzu Shinju Chebukyu, Dawachikdan Chekazamki Je, Nezude Senju Gyulam Ta, Jizo Taki Kagana, Jogdan Bewatene, Gyana Shunki Ledunla, Ramdik Cheba, Bashi Chayubshi. Tuyun Rimbu Dizamki Jesu, Jogyan Didabu, Chedar Lambashitam, Nezude Sui Pichu Chigyorstam. Gyamgun Rimbuchela Tsenxietan, Kongi Chedon Mebsuna, Kebente Sulayume, Jijuchi Megupshikje. Nezu di Jogyan Sudan ki Tsab Chechung Tang, Kyab Chechung la Debi Yina, Chipsi ki Nega Jig Yubate, Nangme Tu Jomi Rung Shikje, Jie Jiju Nang Song. Shuga Dharam Salane, Adilung Din Kange Sagup Jamyan Gyusin.